Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Peach and Lily Mini Protein Exosome Bioactive Ampoule. This product retails for $53. I wasn't going to try out this product at first because it seems to be more of an anti-aging targeting product, which there are still things that I can see with those styles of products. Usually they are really skin barrier supporting and skin strengthening. They also can help some with the appearance of the skin instantly, but it wasn't until I started seeing people talk about this product that I got really excited for the complex in it. It seems to mimic some Korean style treatments that are not usually available over the counter. At least from what I've seen people talking about with this product, I am very new to learning about this style of technology in a serum. So I'm really excited to see what Peach and Lily has done. I'm going into this with an open mind because I also want to see what things I notice with it. But I've seen that redness is also something that this can help with, and also skin hydration. I'm excited to see how this performs, how it feels so much with this product. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They use a mini protein complex in this, along with phyto growth factors and 10 million exosomes. To check out the full ingredients, you can click the link in the description, goes to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Peach and Lily loads down their products with great ingredients, and usually those come with amazing results. So I do want to see what I notice with this product. I also want to see what finish it leaves, and also does it cause any acne, because sometimes with these more rich anti-aging treatments, I can see that happen. So I do want to see if this is safe for at least my acne prone skin. As for everything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. This is a very milky, beautiful texture to a serum. Not really seen anything like it. It is just so glowy to the face, and I've been loving it so far. Look at that glow. It's not sticky. It's just kind of hydrating and nourishing to the face. And I feel like any skin type may be able to benefit from this. Definitely more intended for dry to combination skin, but I feel like so far with where my skin is at the moment, I have been loving this. I did see soybean in the ingredient list. I haven't used it long enough yet to see if it will cause any acne, because that is an ingredient that I'm kind of sensitive to. It's been hit or miss. It almost feels like a milky toner going on the face. So a little bit thicker, definitely a thick, milky toner texture. But I've noticed that my skin redness has been significantly reduced since using this product. Don't mind the reactive skin. This is just how my face gets whenever I rub my face. And also, it probably am too rough with it, but I'm working on that. This product feels so nice going on the face. It gives a nice glow and dew to the skin. You can see that. I have been loving the way that it makes me look. It gives a radiant finish. I put this product on before a moisturizer, and going throughout the day, it doesn't make me greasy, doesn't make me oily, but it gives a nice dewy, just plump look to the face. And with the soothing properties that I have seen people talking about, I've definitely already seen some instant benefits with this. Very excited to see what I notice more long term. So I'm gonna continue using it. I'll keep you posted on this product, and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. This is an instance where I feel like a skincare product this expensive is worth investing in, given, first of all, the level of ingredients and the technology that Peach and Lily have used in this formula. Truly is unmatched and not like anything else that I have seen on the market. I've done research from dermatologists about this product, and it is one of the best skin barrier supporting ingredient list and technology that I have seen in a treatment, both from an ingredient list standpoint and also from performance with using it for the first couple of weeks. I found that this treatment was extremely effective, and a little bit does go a long way. It has a really beautiful milky texture texture that is extremely nourishing for the skin, provides a nice dewy glow, and restores the skin barrier in a very fast way. I found I was able to use it both day and night every day, and with the weather changes that are currently going on, along with the more sensitization I've been having from the colder weather, it has been a lifesaver. This has helped redness, this has helped hydrate and nourish my skin. It's extremely skin barrier rebuilding as well. I've been using some more intense actives to try to counteract some of my acne, and this serum has been really helping combat some of the sensitivity and dryness that I've been experiencing with my skin during this period. I am going to provide an alternative just in case you're wanting something that does restore the skin barrier very fast and has a similar texture to this, but I will go ahead and say I don't know of any other serum with the level of technology and results that I've seen as with this one. I do feel like this is a rare case where it is worth investing in, and also it did work for my acne prone skin. There were a couple of ingredients in here I was worried about, soybean being one of them. It wasn't an issue in this formula. It's been very hit or miss with me, but if you know you have a sensitivity to soybean, then definitely be leery of this product. That was the only main ingredient that I found that I was really worried about, and I was glad that it didn't cause acne. I do want to bring up Naturium's Barrier Bounce. Very different technology, and like I said, I have not seen any other serum on the market with the level of ingredients as this, but the Barrier Bounce serum did provide a really nice skin barrier restoring and hydrating benefit that this did, and also was extremely soothing for the skin, had more of a milky, thicker, weighted texture like this serum, and so it may be worth it to try out that serum as an alternative to this. But if you have the means and you're willing to invest in it, I do feel like it is worth the value. Peach and Lily really knocked it out with this formula. I feel like it's one of their best ones, and they have a lot of hard-hitting formulas. Just the technology, the protein, skin mimicking and skin identical ingredients in this product, and its delivery system is beautiful. I saw those results and I did more research on this product because my skin has just been so radiant since I've been using it. It gives an instant radiance, and the skin barrier does feel more supported, kind of like a cushiony feel to the skin immediately after using it, but the results just continue to get better the longer that I did use it. So I would 100% recommend trying it. Wonderful experience to a serum, and the level of ingredients and technology really backs itself up with performance in this product, making it a little bit more worth it, which if you know me, you know that I don't like spending a lot of money on skincare, but if a product really works, I feel like this will be a very good day-to-day serum, especially when my skin gets more dry in the winter. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.